Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our viewers, audience, and the entire general public, I thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on our behalf for sparing our lives to witness this occasion of Eid al-Adha.
We wish to say Eid Mubarak, taqabbal Allahu minna wa minkum. May Allah accept all our good deeds and may our sacrifices in this blessed period be accepted.
And we specifically thank and congratulate all those who have supported us through donating their money for feeding of the vulnerable families across the country. Congratulations, may Allah accept it from all of us as an act of ibadah.
To our donors, we can't thank you enough. Jazakumullahu khairan. For indeed you have put beautiful smiles on the faces of our widows, orphans, and other vulnerable and destitute people in the society. Jazakumullahu khairan.
And I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless all your wealth and your families and continue to guide and protect us in the service of humanity. And we also thank those who have been following us on all the media platforms, expressing their likes and the comments. That is also supporting us. We thank all of you, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of us and accept our acts of ibadah in this occasion of Eid al-Adha.
And may Allah put it all on our scale of good deeds.
Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum. Barka da sallah.
Eid Mubarak. تقبل الله منا ومنكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.